Books are like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Hi everybody, I have a super fast make here. I am making some books that look like a box of chocolates. I have a box of chocolates, or a box here that looks like a Valentine box, pretty cute. And I made some started off with some paper to kind of make some book covers. To show you quickly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put glue in all these, make them look yummy because they kind of look like the chocolate already. Fill them up, age them. They're going to look like a box of chocolates, books, miniature books. And the quote that's going to be going with them is, books are like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So this is what I'm doing. So I have glued all these covers, and now what I'm going to do is ink them with some subtle suede, get them looking more chocolate-like and aged. I cut these strips of paper. I have the binder clips holding them, putting the faux leather-bound books around them, and just working them to kind of stick around. I'm not too worried that I'm just pulling it over, stretching it over, trying to get that book in there. And I'll cut whatever's showing, cut them apart and cut whatever's showing on the edges. That's what I'm doing. This is how I made the video for these books, and I used the Gundam markers in gold to do the gold trim on these books, and that is how they turned out. I used some of the suede as well as mustard inks to ink up some of the inside a bit, so then when there's a little bit open they weren't too starky white, because they will show a little bit. And this is my box of what looks like chocolate books, and I hope you guys like that. This is a quick little video just to tell you how I did that. And yeah, if you want a full video, just let me know in the comments below. Bye for now.